So we are entering inside of the church. We're gonna check this church out, people. They call this church the Duppy Church, but that's not the real name. Why they call it the Duppy Church is because there's a lot of graves. The amount of grave that is over there, whole heap of grave, people. That's why they call it the Duppy Church. But let us check it out and get some information about it now. So I am going in.
And as you can see, my fellow people, different style of grave. Do remember that grave is coming from dirt, then it comes to stone, and these are some wonderful cut stone grave. Just like how the church built out of stone, same way the graves built out of cut stone. Then it moved from stone to concrete, but that is it.
So we are here at the St. George Anglican Church, and my peeps, this church is the oldest church. The oldest church. That's what I heard. So you know me have to stop and give you a view of it, right? Yeah, it's in the parish of Manchester, and they call this church Duppy Church. That's what I hear. While I was standing out there, I heard somebody say, "Is this the Duppy Church?"
And the reason why they call it that is because of so much grave that is in the yard.
Oh, wow. You never know until you know, my peeps. So this is it. So my husband will give you guys a little blog on it.
I just wanted to reach that over.
As you can see, this is a very old church.
I
And
don't
for it to
wanna
be the
be
Anglican
very
church, the oldest one, it has to be old.
Has to be really old.
No more roof. Tree are going inside.
Yeah, I see that, you know. So this is it. Just giving you a view of this church here, people. The oldest church in Jamaica, is that it?
Anglican church,
Oh, the oldest Anglican church.
St. George.
So this is it.
Otherwise known as Duppy Church.
And what I noticed, people who remember Nanny Book Book, when I used to grow up these little things, once you see the hole, you see those holes, there's a lot of them. So I them live over the church now, my people. And them I go church. See them here? They call them Nanny Book Book. I think what you do now, I think you like go like this, and you see them moving in it. How you do to see them move, babes? No.
Grandma, what do you dig out?
The Nanny Book Book
Any book.
It's an insect.
is an insect. Who remember playing with those when you were small? The Nanny Book Book. Knows that, Messiah?
What kind of insect is the nanny book?
It's a little insect and it has legs that crawl. Let's go.
Is it a worm?
No, it's not.
And
Let's
what
go.
is it? What is the creature?
I was trying to get one for you to see, but they are not coming out of their hole. So just to show you how old, how really old this church is, guys.
Grandma, I found a
This
nanny book.
is a wife and husband. Yes, baby.
I found a nanny book.
So this is the Charles.
Grandma, I
And
found
that's
a nanny book.
That's the year. That's 1884 to 1971.
Grandma,
Yes, baby.
there was a nanny book crawling.
So this is wife and husband, both wife and husband.
grave. Look at this older grave. This is what it's coming from.
And she is 1898 to 1979. All right. So this is the older grave, guys.
This is the old grave.
And this is a join. They joined both of them together.
Grandma, I saw a nanny book.
Okay, I'm gonna come look, baby.
Good morning, good morning, good morning to my beautiful people, friends and family. Welcome once more. We are on our way to our river, but you know, as you go along, we tend to stop and to show you some historical building in Jamaica, and this is one of them. This is an Anglican church in the parish of Manchester in a little district called Wastepen, Manchester. This church is around from old people that say from Wappy fill up, my people. From Wappy fill up. I see some stone here with some numbers on it from 14, etc. etc. If you notice some hole in the wall there, some people even stole them out. Notice that? Yeah. There's so much history behind this church, and one of them, it is the first church in Jamaica, first Anglican church in Jamaica. And he found this church in the parish of Manchester. The name of this church is St. George Anglican Church. Look at that numbers. See that numbers? There's the next one over there. And I'm sure not before long all these stones will be removed, because as I show you on the other side, you see where they vandalized. They were vandalized, taken away. Yeah. Building collapse, the roof collapse. So this is it. There's so much story behind this church. Some people call it Duppy Church, because in the churchyard there's a lot of grave. But this is what become of it right now. The roof. No more roof. Who know what that is? Up the top there. That's a duck's nest. This church is way old. From 1400. There's grave on the outside. Label 1474.